Good morning guys! Welcome back to my channel. I'm Jane Magante of Arisim Realty. Today, I got truly something special for you guys. Yes, I'm here now in Gentry Heights, an exclusive subdivision here in Cavite. Yes, we're just few minutes away from schools. We have Lyceum, De La Salle University, malls, SM, Robinsons, hospitals, Gentry Doctors, Gentry Med, De La Salle, and supermarket. We have Walter Mart and the public market in the front. And of course, the ongoing construction of Calax Governor's Drive Interchange. It's just a few minutes away, guys. With all the developments happening in this area, this is not just a dream to live in, but it is a great investment. So let's go inside and check it out.
Okay, we're entering now at the main gate. Homeowners here have RFID stickers for their entrance. So, very strict talaga dito guys. For visitors, need an ID to enter in the subdivision. By the way guys, our previous house for sale was sold already. Yes po, ganun siya kabilis mabenta because this is really nice place to live even in your retirement or investment. This is a 42 hectares community with private amenities. At the end of this video, I will show you the amenity guys. Okay. Homeowners dues is 500 per month. And our house is just less than a kilometer from the gate. This is our house, 10 years old, well-maintained bungalow house. Lot area is 273 square meters, 4 bedroom and 2 toilet and bath. With 2 covered carport, with private backyard and landscape garden. With gym and with jacuzzi. Also with CCTV system and 4 cameras. 5 water filter system and outdoor full-size water heater. Yes guys, ang ganda ng features ng ating house. So, look at the landscape of our garden here sa labas. Very relaxing ang place natin dito guys. Yung alam mong after work, yung uuwian mo, ganitong bahay, di ba? So, nakaka-relax talaga siya. Okay, let's take a look inside. So, dito tayo dadaan sa carport natin, sa car garage. We have sliding door. And then, pagpasok natin, nandito na ang ating jacuzzi here at the right side. So, hindi na natin kailangan lumabas para mag-relax guys. Andito na. We have our own jacuzzi. Yan. So, it can fit 2 to 3 person. So, bali guys, 2 houses na to. Since malaki yung lot area natin, 273, regular lot for this house is 150 square meters only. Here at the back, So we have al fresco dining here. Wow. Dining table. Landscape garden with fountain. Yes guys, ang ganda ng ating lugar dito sa likod. So this is also our laundry area. We have a washer and dryer combo. And also we have sink, stainless sink with cabinets. And also we have barbecue grill with gas burner, with gas stove. So, eto guys, hindi ka na talaga papasok sa loob. Lahat ng kailangan natin is nandito na. So, this is the side of the house. Okay, so we have access. Dito na lang dadaan sa side and then here going to the backyard. So, hindi na kailangan pumasok ng mga visitors sa ating house. Eto, meron tayong access here at the side of the house. Okay, so this door is the bedroom 1. So we have split type aircon, inverter po yan. So we have ceiling fan, we have bed, and we have cabinets. So we have here sliding door, access going to the second room. And this is the gym. The full-size gym with free weights, Marcy machine, inclined flat bench, elliptical bike, full-size mirror, and rubber matting. Ayan, saan ka pa guys? Yung bahay mo, may gym, may jacuzzi. So, hindi mo na talaga kailangang lumabas para magpunta sa gym. Cause dito, complete na ang ating... Ayan, complete na tayo dito guys. And this is the toilet and bath. Let's go to the main house. So we have sliding door here. Access to the kitchen. So we're here in the kitchen. Ayan, complete po tayo. We have cabinets, stove, refrigerator, and we have kitchen bar, granite countertop. So, this is a fully furnished house, guys. All are included. So, talagang lilipat na lang po tayo. Only your personal things lang ang mga dadalhin natin. So, this is the living room. We have 2 reclining sofa. Again, split type aircon, inverter. Very nice, guys. Kahit maliit lang siya, very elegant ang house natin. And, syempre, idagdag pa natin mga premium ang ating mga furnitures and appliances dito. If you're looking for a bungalow house for your retirement home, I think you must check this out. This is the common toilet and bath. So again, we're complete. Para tayong nasa hotel dito, guys. Yes. So, this is the bedroom 3. So, ito ang ginawa niyang office. Yes, and camera room. Okay, then, we're here at the master's bedroom. So, this is the bedroom 4. So, sa master's bedroom, yan, we have again split type aircon, bed. So, ang ating mattress dito, orthopedic mattress. We have TV, cabinets, blinds. Naka-blinds ang ating buong bahay. So, wala na kayo kailangan ipagawa dito, guys. Well-maintained ang house natin. And premium ang ating furnitures and appliances. So, ano pang hinihintay nyo? If you're looking for your retirement home or for your family home, you must check this out, guys. Okay, price of this is 8.5 million. Yes, with this price, meron na kayong dream home nyo. Okay, recap. This house has a lot area of 273 square meters, 4 bedroom and 2 toilet and bath, with gym and jacuzzi. Yes, so this is our amenity area. This is the clubhouse. So if you have events, pwede po dito. It can cater 200 or more guests. Yes, guys, if you have birthdays, you can celebrate it here with minimum fee. Yes, very minimal lang ang ating fee dito, guys. So, that is our basketball court. And this is our swimming pool.
Alright, that wraps up for today's tour of this beautiful home. I hope you enjoyed. If you think this is your dream home, feel free to contact me, guys. I will be happy to assist you. Okay, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel, Arisim Jane Realty, para ma-notify po kayo every time we have new videos. And for all who are into buying or selling a property, please don't hesitate to call me, guys. I will be happy to help you. Okay, thank you for watching. See you on my next vlog. Bye!